Ever found yourself grappling with technology challenges that make you feel like you're trying to decode alien language? We've all been there, haven't we? Frustrating moments when we're stuck in the labyrinth of tech issues, unsure of how to find a way out. Enter ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI developed by OpenAI. This isn't just your regular chatbot, it's a sophisticated machine learning model that generates human-like text based on the input it receives. It's designed to understand your queries, contextualize them, and provide solutions that are not only relevant, but also easy to understand. Whether you're struggling with setting up a new device, troubleshooting a software glitch, or just seeking advice on the latest tech trends, ChatGPT is equipped to assist you. It's like having a tech-savvy friend who's always ready to help. Imagine having a personal assistant that helps you navigate through your tech problems. That's what ChatGPT can do for you. Getting started with ChatGPT is simpler than you might think. Let's dive right into it, shall we? First things first, you need to access ChatGPT. There are two main ways to do this. You can either visit the OpenAI website or use the OpenAI API. The website provides a user-friendly interface where you can directly interact with ChatGPT. It's like chatting with a friend on any social platform, except this friend is an AI model developed by OpenAI. On the other hand, if you're a developer or someone who likes to play around with code, you might prefer using the OpenAI API. It allows you to integrate ChatGPT into your own applications and services. Now, don't let the word API scare you away. It's just a fancy term for a set of rules that allow programs to talk to each other. Next, let's talk about the importance of obtaining an API key. Think of this key as your exclusive pass to the ChatGPT world. It's what separates you from someone who's just browsing the OpenAI website. This key uniquely identifies you and allows you to send requests to the API. Obtaining it is a straightforward process. You'll need to sign up on the OpenAI website, and once your account is verified, you'll receive your API key. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but I don't have any programming knowledge. How am I supposed to use this? Well, the beauty of ChatGPT is that you don't need to be a programmer to use it. Sure, it helps if you're familiar with some coding concepts, but it's not a necessity. OpenAI has done a wonderful job of making this technology accessible and straightforward for everyone. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast wanting to explore the world of AI, a business owner looking to streamline customer interactions, or a student interested in learning about cutting-edge technology, ChatGPT is for you. And there you have it. You're all set to start conversing with your new AI assistant. Now that you've set up ChatGPT, it's time to learn how to use it effectively. It's as simple as having a conversation, and the best part is you control the flow. To start a conversation with ChatGPT, you simply need to input a message. This message is split into two components, the role and the content. The role can be one of three things: system, user, or assistant. System sets the behavior of the assistant, user is you, and assistant, well, that's ChatGPT itself. The content is the actual message that you want to convey. For instance, if you're the user and you want to know about the weather, your content could be, "What's the weather like today?" Now let's talk about customization. You can control the output of ChatGPT using two settings, temperature and max tokens. Temperature is all about randomness. A higher temperature makes the output more random, while a lower one makes it more deterministic. For example, if you set the temperature to 1, ChatGPT might surprise you with its creativity. But if you prefer more predictable responses, you can set it to a lower value, like 0.2. Max tokens, on the other hand, controls the length of the output. If you set a high number, expect longer responses. But if you prefer short and sweet, you can limit the tokens to a lower number. Remember, the beauty of ChatGPT lies in its flexibility. You can tailor it to your needs, whether you want a brainstorming partner with out-of-the-box ideas or a concise assistant who sticks to the point. But here's a pro tip. The more specific your input, the more accurate and helpful ChatGPT's responses will be. So instead of asking, "What's the weather like?" you could ask, "What's the weather like in New York today?" And that's it. You're now equipped to use ChatGPT effectively. Go ahead, start a conversation, ask questions, seek advice, or simply chat. Remember, the more specific your input, the more accurate and helpful ChatGPT's responses will be. Let's see how ChatGPT can help solve a common tech issue. Imagine you are dealing with a frustrating problem. Your internet connection is painfully slow. First, you need to articulate your problem to ChatGPT in a clear and concise manner. You might type, "ChatGPT, my internet connection is very slow. What can I do to improve it?" ChatGPT, armed with its AI capabilities, would then come up with a series of solutions. It might suggest checking your internet speed, resetting your router, or even contacting your service provider. It could also provide steps on how to perform these tasks. The beauty of ChatGPT is that it doesn't just provide generic responses. It tailors its advice based on your specific problem, making it a unique, personalized experience. It's like having a tech-savvy friend at your fingertips, ready to help you navigate through your tech woes, no matter how big or small. As you can see, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool when dealing with tech challenges. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to use ChatGPT to tackle your tech issues. Let's quickly recap the journey we've been on. We started with an introduction to ChatGPT, this powerful language model developed by OpenAI. We then dove into the setup process, taking you step by step on how to get this tool up and running. Next, we explored the various ways to use ChatGPT. We saw how it can understand and generate human-like text, making it an invaluable resource for your tech queries. We also demonstrated ChatGPT in action, showcasing its ability to provide solutions to common tech problems. Remember, the power of ChatGPT lies not only in its sophisticated AI capabilities, but also in its versatility. Whether you're dealing with coding issues, software bugs, or simply trying to understand a new tech concept, ChatGPT is ready to assist. With ChatGPT by your side, you have the power to overcome technology challenges. Happy problem solving.